In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a deal pipeline in HubSpot. Now to do this, you first want to sign into your dashboard and you want to go to the top over here and click on this settings cogwheel. From here, you want to go to the left and you want to scroll down a bit until you see data management and then objects. So you want to click on objects. And up top, by default, the selected object is going to be contacts. You want to click on the drop down and select deals instead. When you have deals selected here, you can see it says pipelines, so you want to click on pipelines. And then from here, you'll be able to create a deal pipeline from in here, okay? So when this loads up, which takes a second, there we go, you can then go and click on create pipeline over here, and you can go and clone it or create from scratch. I'm actually going to click on create from scratch. I'm going to name this one tutorial. It's going to be super basic, and I'm going to click on create pipeline. There we go. As you can see, my pipeline has been created, and then in here, you can of course manage this. You can go and change the stage names, the colors, the probabilities, and of course enable them or disable them. And you can also add new stages down here at the bottom. And that's essentially how to create a pipeline of a deal inside HubSpot. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.